Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab, we're going to be building a base for the BrickHeadz Statue of Liberty. So, longtime viewers of the Brick Lab may remember a few years ago when I first showed this design off. It was inspired by a design from a designer named Baby Lego, who at the time was selling instructions for their version, so it didn't feel right to release my build tutorial for it, even though the designs are slightly different. But now, of course, that Baby Lego is no longer selling their instructions, I figured it would be okay to go ahead and do a quick build tutorial for you. And of course, there will be a part listed in the description, so feel free to download that, gather all the bricks you need, and we'll go ahead and start the build tutorial. And if you follow the build tutorial, you should end up with something that looks a little bit like this. From here, all you have to do is take the BrickHeadz Statue of Liberty, plop her on top, and there you go. You are completely done. Alright, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and we'll see you next time.